If you've ever opened a Word document and found that you can't type, can't edit, or can only make limited changes, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove editing restrictions in Microsoft Word step by step so you can regain full control of your document. This is really useful if you received a protected file, a template with restrictions, or a document that was locked for review. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, start menu, or app launcher, depending on your device. Once Word is open, go ahead and open the restricted document you want to edit. If the file is already on your computer, just click File, then Open and select the document. If it's been shared with you, open it from your recent files or download location. After the document loads, look along the top ribbon and click the Review tab. The Review tab is where Word keeps many document protection and collaboration tools, so this is the place you want to be. In the Review menu, look for the option that says Restrict Editing and click it. When you do that, a panel should appear on the right side of the screen. This sidebar shows the current protection settings applied to the document. Now, in that sidebar, find the button that says Stop Protection. Click that button to begin removing the editing restriction. At this point, Word may ask for a password if the document was protected with one. If you see a password box, type the correct password carefully. Make sure caps lock is off and enter it exactly as it was set. If the password is correct, click OK to confirm. If no password is required, Word may remove the restrictions right away. Once protection is turned off, you should be able to edit the document normally again. Try clicking inside the document and typing a few words to make sure everything is unlocked. You can now make changes, delete text, format content, and update the file just like any regular Word document. If you want to keep the changes, don't forget to save the document afterward. You can press Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on Mac, or go to File and click Save. One important thing to remember is that if you don't know the password, Word usually can't remove the restriction through the normal method. In that case, you'll need to contact the document owner or the person who created the file and ask them for the password or an unlocked copy. So to quickly recap, open Microsoft Word, open the restricted document, go to the Review tab, click Restrict Editing, select Stop Protection in the sidebar, enter the password if prompted, and click OK. That's it. Your editing restrictions should now be removed. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple Word tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.